Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Friday, August 8th. A very comfortable morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Some suburban locations of the big cities are in the upper 50s as we start the last day of the work week. Comfortable temperatures and humidity levels will continue right through the weekend and into the early part of next week. No extensive heat is in sight. May not even reach 90 degrees in any part of the I-95 corridor for the next several days. We have a little bit of an unsettled weather situation setting up for the District of Columbia and points to the south and west of there over the weekend. Philly probably stays in the clear in terms of rainfall. There will be some clouds this weekend. All in all, pretty nice weekend for the Philly metro region and very nice looking for the New York City metro region. The farther one goes this weekend along the I-95 corridor to the south and west, the more the clouds and the higher the chance for showers, with the greatest threat for showers occurring just to the south and west of the District of Columbia. But there certainly can be some showers in the D.C. metro region on Saturday and Sunday. But again, it looks like Philly area should stay pretty nice all weekend and definitely nice in New York City. Well, let's start off by looking at the surface map. High pressure controls the scene throughout the northeastern part of the country. This is again a high pressure that's been in a series of high pressure systems that have dropped south and east out of Canada into the northeastern part of the country with a refreshingly cool air mass for this time of the year. And it will dominate the scene from, let's say, Philadelphia north and east over the weekend. But this area of low pressure to the south and west with its associated frontal system trailing it all the way into the southeastern part of the country. And there is an area of showers and thunderstorms we'll see on the radar in a moment. Right in this region right here, that will make a push towards the north and east over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. The high will tend to repel that shower activity from Philadelphia north and east, but there may be some showers that reach the D.C. metro region this weekend. And here's a current look at the radar loop. And again, there are some showers right now and maybe an embedded thunderstorm or two in the Ohio Valley all the way across eastern Kentucky into extreme western West Virginia. They will continue to move to the north and east. And again, some showers could reach the D.C. metro region this weekend. Looks like they will not reach southeastern Pennsylvania and definitely will not reach the New York City region as that high pressure hangs on at least from Philly north and east over the upcoming weekend. Well, here's the latest nationwide infrared satellite imagery loop from the SSEC Wisconsin website. Lots of clouds just to the south and west of the I-95 corridor, again associated with that low pressure in Missouri, frontal system extending back into the central plains where there are some showers and thunderstorms, another frontal system all the way to the southeast U.S. coast, a band of showers and embedded thunderstorms along that frontal system as well. In the clear right now in terms of clouds from about Philadelphia north and east throughout much of New England. By the way, there have been some wildfires across western Canada over the last several days. Some of that smoke is actually pushing all the way to the south and east and will actually cause some hazy skies in much of the Mid-Atlantic region later today. We'll notice perhaps some white haze in the skies this afternoon from all that smoke that actually pushed all the way southeast in this upper level flow from western Canada into the Mid-Atlantic region. And we may even notice over the next few nights some redder than normal sunsets, all helped along by the increase in smoke in our atmosphere from these western Canadian wildfires. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps for this upcoming weekend using last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. And again, the main theme here is the farther south and west one goes this weekend in the I-95 corridor, the more the clouds and the higher the threat for showers. The D.C. metro region has the greatest chance for some showers, whereas New York City looks like they'll stay in the clear and have a very nice weekend, probably a pretty nice weekend right through Sunday in the Philadelphia metro region. This is the forecast map for this evening. High pressure continues to hang on here over the Great Lakes in the northeastern part of the country as of this evening, Friday evening. But notice quite an extensive area of showers down across the southeastern part of the country. Let's now jump ahead to Saturday morning. Well, by Saturday morning, high pressure continues to kind of control the weather from the Great Lakes into at least the northeastern part of the country. Certainly from Philadelphia north and east, that high is in control, but this area of moisture makes a little bit of an advancement to the north and east, just on the doorstep of the D.C. metro region tomorrow morning. Let's now jump ahead to tomorrow evening forecast map. And indeed, by tomorrow evening, the GFS is putting out a little bit of precipitation in the form of showers all the way up through the D.C. metro region. Does not quite make it to southeastern part of Pennsylvania. Again, it looks like probably stays rain-free in the Philly metro region. Not 100% guarantee there, but most of the time, if not all of the time this weekend in Philly should be dry. Certainly dry in New York City, as this high tends to move to the east and protect interior New England and New York City more than to the south and west. Meanwhile, some shower activity is possible this weekend all the way into the D.C. metro region. Temperatures stay cool right through the weekend and into the early part of next week, well below normal for this time of the year. May not even hit 90 anywhere along the I-95 corridor across over the next several days. Now, by Sunday morning, same kind of a pattern. That high edges to the north and east, still protecting New York City and most likely southeastern part of Pennsylvania. That area of showers still not too far from the District of Columbia. There can be some clouds and perhaps still a few showers on Sunday. Certainly, by any means, it will not be a total washout in the District of Columbia region this weekend, but there are the possibility of a few showers on Saturday and Sunday. Pretty nice in Philly, very nice in New York City. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist